Okay folks, it is further along. So today's work has included switching out all of the switch plates for the GPOs with modern equivalents, removing a bunch of, phone cable, really? Anyway, we're not going to be using that. So all of this network cable can get pulled back up and over and get rid of that, and we're left for a nice clean double GPO and a network and a little shelf there for the router. New GPO here, new GPO there, new GPO there. As you know, framing was all done yesterday, but we've run the electric today, so into the braces, new GPO here, switch for the light outside, which I've yet to change, and new GPO here. So that's all good. And then similarly, big cleanup, obviously, because it's bin day. All the framing was done yesterday. Pulled all this out, new switch in here, new GPO in here, that can go off. And then in preparation for this wall being removed tomorrow, I've got to pull this conduit off and pull the wires back up through there. That way we don't have any accidentally letting the smoke out the wires. This side, pretty much as it was, but again, in preparation, just started removing all this sort of stuff. We're going to put a new box on the wall and a new single switch, which I don't have, forgot to get it. Anyway, we will be updating these lights. These are Coles, some local brand like Woolies or Vons or something like that for the American audience, or Sainsbury's for the UK audience. And then all of these, this is a great space. This is where the lift is going to be for the bikes. Great space, good idea with the light, not quite great implementation, and we need better lights in here. So had the electrician out yesterday checking all of this. This is all up to code, thankfully. It's clipped off along the I-beam over there, which is good. Same thing up here, and all the way down. So we can literally drop in high bay LEDs, which are super energy efficient, replace all this nonsense, have 3 on this side, 3 on that side, super clean, super efficient, etc., and figure out something over here, and then probably leave these up because these are okay. These are LEDs. The office lighting, I'm going to give a feminine touch, or more accurately, my darling wife, who is the painter, will be giving a more feminine touch than this rather institutional approach to lighting. Not that it doesn't light, it just, prison waiting room or doctor's surgery or something. It's not a great look. And then obviously we're going to replace the banana conduit with straight conduit, enclose the walls in the James Hardie HardieFlex, new skirting board, new quarter round on the corner. I've left the cornice intact. I'm hoping I can get these last little bits out here and then just slide a new sheet of 4.5mm up in the front there, because I hate doing cornice. I can if I have to, but I don't like doing it. And then really it's just buttoning everything up with clouts. We need to scrape all of this glue. This is wood glue. Scrape all the glue, remove all the little nails, get it back to being a flat and level surface like this. Just like this as well, just remove all of that. And then when we stick the Hardie board up there, it's all in the prep, basically just nail straight on. So there you go. That's today's update, got a lot done. Really happy with the progress. As I mentioned in the first video, we're planning to be moved in, as in completely moved in, by the end of May. So we have a month and a bit to go. I have some travel for other reasons planned between now and then, but it's coming right along. I'm pretty happy. Once the switchboard project, in other words, ripping that whole thing out and replacing it with something modern and highly efficient takes place, and similarly, once the hot water project, deleting that and putting a 200 odd litre heat pump in there, take place, we will actually have a functioning workshop, and then it's just getting the high pressure water system out, giving this a good scrub, bit of panel beating, just various things need straightening up. But other than that, not too confronting, thankfully. and no ugly surprises. So yeah, roll on. Catch you in the next vid, everybody. Hope you are having a fantastic week. Cheers, everyone.